Hey, good morning. So here's a quick review on the adapter from butane to propane. Currently brewing some water to make some hot cocoa. I've already done some coffee. I love that it was an easy adaptation. It went from tank, adapter, to stovetop. Now here we are brewing. So it came in this package right here, camping stove adapter, some email information, the website. Yeah, definitely recommend it. It was something that I woke up today and I was looking forward to using it, and I love it. So we're here camping in the Everglades. So it works like a charm, and recommend it. All right, there it is. Tank, adapter, and stovetop. Have a good one, y'all.